Haya, tuko mwezi wa saba. Ni mwezi wa saba na mwezi wa nane. Mwezi wa nane, this is what I want us to do. Mwezi wa nane, we are going to do roofing. Roofing can be a bit hectic. It can be a bit costly, but this is how I want you to do it. I want you to start with buying, if the site is safe, you can start by buying iron sheets. But if the site is not safe, start by buying bao. So mwezi wa saba, mwezi wa saba ama nane, you can correct me there on the comment section. Mwezi wa nane, you are going to buy bao za roofing. Bao za roofing could be a bit costly, and probably for a 3-bedroom, hiyo 70 to 80,000 may not be enough. Yeah, 70, 80,000 hiyo inaweza kosa kutosha. So this is what you are going to do. Hiyo mwezi ya nane na mwezi wa tisa, you are going to combine those 2 months. Mwezi wa nane hiyo 80k, nunua zile bao itatoshea. Unaweza amua kununua 2x2 bao za cypress ama modhidida as we call it in Murima. Buy 2x2s mwezi wa nane. Mwezi wa tisa you buy the frame sasa ambazo ni 4x2. Is it 4x2 or 4x4? Yeah, 4x2. Buy 4x2 mwezi wa tisa. Sawa, those 2 months, that's around 160. 160k is enough to buy bao za kufanya roofing. All of them actually, it's even more than that. You need around 130, 150 to do timber ya kufanya roofing. Okay? So, si tumetoka hapo. Haya, in the next video, I'll tell you about the mabati now. How you're going to buy the mabati and what you need.